Okay guys, I thought I would show you what I've got accomplished. So I've got the red section done. The poppies are starting to perk up, and these are definitely bigger. I mean, I did this section first. These are definitely putting on some height. Those are starting to. I feel like this hollyhock, like right there, is definitely starting to perk up, that sort of thing. And oh yeah, that poppy is getting huge. Okay, so I decided to try to be better organized about how I'm doing this. So I pulled all the things that I'm going to plant in the pink section, and just to go over it briefly, I'll start at this end. So right here we have Antwerp Hollyhock. This is a pink mix, so I've got a bunch of those. Those are spaced every 24 inches. That right there is a poppy. It is Angel's Choir, I believe. Yeah, Angel's Choir. And I have a couple of those. Then I have a poppy right there called French Flounce. I kind of started those too late, so they did not do as well as I know they could. These right there are Rose Nigella. I have a bunch of those. These right here are Shades of Verbascum. Shades of Summer Verbascum. I have a lot of those. I did some pink Carnations, and I did some what I would refer to as French Hollyhock. Just give me a second. Okay guys, so I got a little distracted with my coworker, so I'm filling up the pool right now. I'm gonna walk the dog, but I'm just waiting for that to get a little higher. I'm not filling up the pool to the base. I needed to cover the pump, which is right there. I've already climbed in the pool today. Yeah, it wasn't too bad. I was wearing some rain boots. Speaking of which, I totally forgot to get some more when I was out. So anyway, I'm trying to remember what I was saying about this section. So yeah, so here's what I'm planting tonight. So I just wanted to go ahead and pull it all out so I didn't forget things. I think I have a few more pink cups, but you know, especially with things like peonies, I didn't want to start planting and then realize, oh shoot, I forgot the peonies, because that's almost what happened. So there's going to be roses in both sections, and then they're going to be flanked by some dahlia. So I'm going to try to get as much of this planted as I can. Anything left over will go probably, well, the light pink containers will definitely go in the sunset garden. The other ones are not true, they're like pink mixes, so it won't go in the sunset garden, but I'll definitely put them like in the driveway. And some things I know I'll have left over. I'm going to wait until I can plant these middle sections over here. So right now the dog and I are going to go for his little walk, and then once we're done back, hopefully the fountain will have filled sufficiently, and then I can get going with my planting. Okay guys, so I'm back from walking the dog, and oh man, I did not mean to fill it up quite that much. I did not think it was going to fill that quickly while I was gone, but I was wrong. So anyway, I have enough water, so yeah. Alright, so it's fine. I won't have to fill it for a while. So yeah, so I'm going to go finish getting everything together so I could turn it on. Okay guys, I'm gonna turn the camera off because it's dark and I don't even know if you guys can see anything. So I'll come back later. Okay. Okay guys, the last shot before I go to bed. Or go inside, I guess I should say, cook some dinner. Isn't that pretty?